I'm super proud of myself because I made bunny popos. Well, this one hasn't been cooked yet. That one over there is my mother's. And this one, these two are mine. And I'm so proud of myself because very sweaty. I didn't know a thing about them, and I still managed to make them. And Aussie is really super proud of me. Are you? And Darnell stole my fidget spinner. Why? Why did you steal it?
Didn't steal it, you stole mine. You still have mine.
Yours is right there.
Where? I can't see it. I'm blind. I might be blind. Oh, yours is in my bag.
Well, you'll get yours back when you give me mine.
Yes.
What do you want? Some water?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes, Mommy. Morning, everyone. It's a Friday and it's day 2 of my diet, and I want to show you guys my eggs. I overcooked them. I cooked them in the microwave and I woke up super early because I was so hungry, and my sister told me to cook it in the microwave. It'll be nice and quick. Just put it in 2-3 minutes. This is what 2 or 3 minutes looks like. It's like bread. It doesn't even taste like an egg. It's like a muffin. It's funny how when you're on your first day of your diet, when you finally start to diet and you're like real strict day, by the end of the night, I swear, I feel like, oh my god, I've lost so much weight. So many weight. We finally finished cooking most of them, and wait! Oh my gosh, why did my young girl?
Perfect.
Perfect.
It's really nice.
Nice and soft and creamy.
The juice is nice.
Oh my gosh, look at that cream. I want it so bad. My mouth is literally watering and I can't have any. Morning, party people.
Morning, guys. Welcome to another video.
It's Darnell's birthday today. I'm sure all of you by now know my nephew Darnell. We're going over to his house, or his dad's house, which is my brother, and we're gonna go and sing him happy birthday, and hopefully he gets excited and appreciates our efforts, because I was meant to go for a walk. I want you guys to meet somebody.
And going well with the breastfeeding, you're happy for feeding.
Hello. This is my nephew. Say hi, Eddie. He looks so much like his father. Don't you, Papa? Don't you, little Eddie? Huh? Mwah. He's only 1 week old. No, almost 2 weeks old. He's almost 2 weeks old. Happy birthday, Darnell! He needs a haircut, like, real quick. We can mop the whole house with this head. Anyways, we're here at Les's house, my brother, to celebrate Darnell's birthday and have breakfast together. And Aussie's gone to the gym. He said he's gonna come over after. So y'all will see him then. This is my brother and his beautiful wife.
Eben even looks
on their wedding day.
King Eben in his car. Yeah, I got work. Why are your shoes on the wrong feet?
Because I can fit them out.
They're wrong. They look silly. They look so silly. Hey, guess what? Messiah, remember when you...
Yeah.
Messiah.
Huh?
Remember when you took your bum and you smelled it?
Ew, really?
Oh, yeah.
I'm telling my mom.
And your shoes
Molly,
on the
stop
wrong
teasing him.
feet.
So me and baby Eddie over here were just chilling.
Dang.
Nell, is this the best birthday breakfast of your life?
I never,
Are you here?
I never had breakfast in the Gold Coast. I did. Well, no, that's what I was there.
Yum. Hey, Asso. Oh, hi, Asso.
All the Balinese kids call him asshole.
Oh, Asso.
No, they call him asso.
Yeah, Asso.
No, asso.
Asso.
Not asshole.
Wait.
Hey. Hi, Legion. Hi, Legionella.
Asshole.
It's just asshole. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you had an English name. Yeah, like.
Do you want to?
No, his name's Asso Mua Mua.
Oh, what's
He's
his
born on the 1st of October.
You know what, Asso?
I have a photo with Asa when he was little. I was there when he was born.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was. I was in Samoa
Oh, what are?
when his mum gave birth. I was there for the conference. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Asa, where were you born? In Samoa.
Asso Mua Mua. I'm just gonna call you
Asso,
from today.
call your mum.
I'm gonna call you Mua.
Your mum knows, okay? Even Tua used to walk with her shirt off.
Well, obviously.
And she used to follow your dad around. And then they're like, Tua, I don't remember come on. She's like, yeah. And then she just like walk away. We're like, Tua. She's like, yeah. No, come on.
Who looks like her mum?
Hi, big man. Look at his face. He's so cute.
Oh, yeah, mum. You eat there, mum. Oh, it's another one here too.
I'm gonna eat a plant. I need to do some work.
Hey, big man.
Big man!
Hey, big bum. Is that Nami Aussie? Yeah, well, you came really late. Big man, can you stop crushing me with that? Happy birthday, Aussie.
Birthday, Bimbo.
Bimbo.
There's another bimbo in my head. What's the matter? It's from here.
I don't have any on my face. Anyways, ngày mai phạt cô với ông. Ngày mai phạt cô với ông.
This is come from here.
I'm so tired and my throat is really sore. I'm coughing so much, but I don't feel sick. Just got a really chesty cough. You are always eating, big man. It's evening out now in our house and I'm just making some dinner for the fam. Even though I'm not eating it, so I got some potatoes, defrosting some chicken, and Siaosi wants me to fisi mopaka. Just marinated some chicken, and I got my potato cooking. Chicken in oven. And dinner is ready. I got mash. I'm just having my dinner now. I made everyone else dinner, but I'm having a different dinner. A healthier dinner, really. That's the food that I made. Which the boys don't want to eat. Because they're too occupied with these gadgets. But I'm going to enjoy my food. Siaosi just got back from the gym again. He went 2 times today. And my lipstick's been on for so long.
Right? Is it funny videos?
Oi, você caralho, pô.
Look, Zaya!
The candle.
Look!
Yay.
Look, Zaya! Ooh, lalu.
Yay.
Ooh, lalu.
Alright, we gotta hurry up because it's gonna melt. Start singing.
Happy
Birthday to you. I live in a zoo.
Happy
To you. I will was so fun.
Hip hip!
Alright.
Spit it!
That's it.
What did he eat?
What do you finish with?
Oh no, he didn't bite it.
I did all. I did the budgets.
I didn't watch it.
Yeah, I did the budget.
Take it all down here.
Hello guys, it's almost 12 o'clock, but still awake.
Okay, so I picked comment of the day, which was also, I think it was the first comment on the video. And it's from Leilani Reales. I hope you recover well. Take your time. I hope and pray for the best for y'all. Thank you so much, girl. I really appreciate it. We probably just want to apologize about the inconsistency in our uploading, for starters, because a lot of people have been messaging us and I think some of the people have just given up. But well, actually we've had a lot going on in the past couple of weeks with my operation and working, and I just haven't been well at all.
Yeah.
And that it has been contributing to the inconsistency of our content. But we're working on it, and we're going to be doing a few challenges coming up, so we expect to see those videos coming soon. But yeah, we basically want to just apologize. There is no excuse, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's no excuse.
Apologize guys. Bring more video for you guys, and you should like it and enjoy. But thank you guys for tonight,
and thank you so much to our loyal subscribers who have stayed with us, everybody who's stuck with us and is still continuing to stick with us, and commenting and liking our content. So we thank you so much for watching our videos and subscribing, and for being loyal to us, to Team Siaosi and Victoria.
Yep. Thank you guys.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys tomorrow.
Oh, and I also wanted to say, I like caked my face, right? And then I came and sat here and watched TV all night. I told Siaosi to take me out for dinner. Did you?
No. Guys. Be with you,